It is an honor and a pleasure to be the recipient of the AIHA 2020 Yant Award, established to honor the contributions of William P. Yant, the first president of the American Industrial Hygiene Association. The list of previous laureates show that I'm the second Belgian to receive this award after 38 years. The names on this list are astonishing, and to be among those valued personalities in the field of industrial hygiene is just amazing. Being recognized by peers for excellent contribution in the field of industrial hygiene is an immense personal recognition. Of course, you never do this alone. In my career as an industrial hygienist, I discovered that the most altruistic personalities can be found within the IH profession. Meeting the right people in the right place has enabled me to realize the ideas for the worldwide promotion of occupational health and safety through training, mentoring, and providing the right tools, equipment, and expertise to anyone who needs it, especially those in developing countries. With understanding comes resolution, and with resolution comes a safer global workplace. This was the code that actually my nominating people used in the nomination. I would like to thank the Mine Safety Appliances for sponsoring this award, and also a big thank to Marian Levitsky and Jennifer Galvin for nominating me and working together with me on wonderful projects. I would also like to thank AIHA, all my colleagues from the Occupational Hygiene Training Association, OHTA, Workplace Health Without Border colleagues, WHWB, the International Affairs Committee colleagues from the AIHA, the Belgian Center of Occupational Hygiene, the Belgian Society for Occupational Hygiene, the European Platform for Occupational Hygiene, and of course, last but not least, my colleagues from my current employer, the Nickel Institute, to always support me in all voluntary work I'm involved in, and for sure my family, who regularly have to miss me, but always support me in everything that I'm doing. Thank you very much.